I got a feeling that this could be a little more than feelings. If I'm being honest, honestly, you got me where you want it. You got me playing every card and spending all my time trying to find out more about you.
All right, come out, grab your rope.
Well, I won't do that until the last time you.
Right.
I'll wait until you were.
I never knew I needed love, needed love, needed love. I always thought I'd be enough, be enough, be enough. You showed me what it means to see outside of me. God knows what I'd be missing. Now I really need your love.
Guys, ya sana fue el baño. No, the boat. Oh, sorry.
I'm still believing that you might be the one thing to believe in. If I'm losing focus, it's 'cause I'm focused on you every single moment. You got me playing every card, spending all my time trying to find out more about you. 'Cause I really want you.
I did go to street.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You might want to. You're there and get me down. Get the rope. No, just keep holding it. I'll be there.
What I'd be missing. Now I really need your love, need your love, need your love.
We got three of them, good.
So let's do that.
Okay.
I need your love. I never knew I needed love.
It's hard to steer at low speed.
Oh, the demo.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have run, right?
No.
Yeah.
I'll be there.
Get green on the right and red on the left, right?
Be enough. You show me what it means to see outside of me. God knows what I'd be missing. Now I really need your love, need your love, need your love.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
I'll get the rope.
Yeah, got it. That's a long rope.
Yeah.
Can you take the dog and go front in your back?
Okay.
Cleo, you want to sit back here? Or up there, it doesn't matter. Up there, you might get a little splash. You don't have to baby that dog. Just grab her like a bag and throw her back in.
Oh, come into mama. Oh, mommy. Thank you, love.
It's been a long time.
Beautiful water. Oh my God.
I'm feeling like a ghost on the inside. There's an emptiness. Oh, can you tell me what you know?
Sun guard for you, Lulu.
Big buffet.
It's in a way, friend.
What?
The big goats, whatever you have.
What about it?
It's in the way. See how she comes back? She knows now. I don't know. You want to get in the water?
It's not bad once you're in.
Yeah. Once you're in. Oh my God. finally we have the sun, huh?
Yeah.
Ay, ay. When we got the boat, my brother-in-law got this for us.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
If you want us to go faster, go like this. You want us to slow down, go like that.
My fat ass is like pulling us all the way down back.
Just replace it much and take us
I weigh a lot more than her. I was like,
so done.
and maybe I'll switch with Marichu. Have the two girls out here.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, it was so done.
Oh, I see. Okay, hold on.
I might be better getting off into the water and then climbing up the ladder.
Yeah. Oh! Okay, Chris, I'm gonna go in.
No, why don't you give her life?
Oh, yeah, here. Come.
Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to live. Got a life to live together. Together. Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to live. Here and there and everywhere, we'll take it all in. We got a life to live. Got a life to stop someone, get on the ride. Twisting and turning through life. No matter how rough it gets, I'll get by. Moves with me where I roam. It's every dream I make my own. I'm never alone. I know that every day will always bring me something new. Every day will bring me something new. Most of the time brings me down, and my future won't exist without living now. So I spread all my footprints around, yeah. I know that every day will always bring me something new. Every day
That's a party boat.
my life. Yeah. I inhale all the love that I can find. Yeah. I am not the same no more. Nothing even matters like it did before. I'm brand new, brand new, like a brand new, brand new me. I'm brand new, brand new, I'm telling you, brand new, oh, I'm brand new, brand new me. Like a breakthrough, I'm a brand new me, brand new, yeah, yeah. I'm a brand new me. All the haters I can find. Yeah. I inhale all the rays of sunshine. Yeah. I am not the same. No. Nothing even matters like it did before.
They dropped a person.
He fell off and almost lost his pants.
Almost got his pants.
I
Subscribe now.